I've just recently started using CloudPano to build my virtual tours, and I'm very happy with the outcome. In this video, I'll show you how you can take your 360 photos and turn them into a virtual tour in 6 easy steps. Step 1. Create a new tour and name it. Step 2. Upload your already edited photos and name them. Step 3. Select navigation and set to natural movement. Natural movement navigation aligns the initial heading in a scene to match the heading from the previous scene. This makes the user feel as if they are actually walking through the tour. Step 4. Set north point for each photo. This step needs to be completed in order for natural movement to work correctly. Step 5. Link hotspots to connect every photo in the tour. Point to where you want to put the hotspot and select a photo. And repeat this process until you're done. Step 6. Preview and publish. Make sure your virtual tour is complete, and then go ahead and publish and share to your favorite social media or website. So head over to cloudpano.com, set up your free account, and get building virtual tours today.